We in Melbourne, baby.
Lost my camera.
What do you mean you lost your camera? I gave it to you in there. You got it?
No.
Useless. Can't take you anywhere. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Hi, mate. Thank you. Are you excited for High Rocks?
Yeah, nervous.
You're gonna win?
No.
Of course you are. Look at these Thunderfires.
I'm not winning that.
Now arriving at Terminal 1.
When people say you can't travel because you don't have a lot of money, that's bullshit. I arrived into Australia, into Melbourne 10 years ago, and I've just come back now. And when I first arrived here, I had £200 to my name, 4 nights accommodation and no job. And I arrived on a Friday. On the Monday, I got offered a job. I actually quit it on the Thursday because it was terrible. And when I finished and went back home, I had a couple of glasses of goon with my friends at the hostel, and an email came through, and it was a job to do farm work. So a couple of days after that, I basically went down to zero because I booked my bus to a place to do my farm work. And then when I arrived there, I had to tell the person that I had no money to pay them rent, and it was okay. As soon as I got my first pay, I had to pay double rent, and yeah, just went from there. Survived for 2 years, ended up saving 25 grand. So it can be done. You just have to risk it for the biscuit. What do you mean, what is hydration?
Like, what's good hydration?
Water.
Like a power?
You're a nightmare.
Huh?
You're a nightmare. Alright, where are we gonna go? Should we find Nike and Adidas loose? Go in the good ones first.
But they're not open.
Just there? Oh, maybe it's not. Oh yeah, just have a look in there then. Pretty cool. I will definitely take one of these off your hands, fellas.
Give me 7.
Cheers, boss. Thank you. You, woman.
Okay, I'll take one. I'll use it today.
Cheers, bro.
Thanks,
Thank you.
darling.
Let's go. Gang, gang. Let's go. Oh, it looks comfy. Oh. Scenes.
Oh, so nice. Is there any towels in there?
Oh, we have got a fridge.
We have?
Yeah. Gang, gang.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check that out. Oh, we can even... Oh, have we got any tea bags? Gang, we can make some tea. This is how we do when we travel. You get a baguette, you get a whole cooked chicken with stuff in, and fucking whack that bad boy right inside there. Cheers! Mmm. Boom.
Where is she? Hello. I'm going to fall asleep in your arms right now. Gotta go back upstairs. I think. Come, are these all yours? Here she is.
Hello, Queen. You dirty slut.
Look at her. Look at the state of
It's good.
My energy level's 14.
And 13 means dead.
That's the worst I've ever seen it.
She's fast as fuck, boy. Let's go, girl. Well done. Let's go. Well done. Luke, how do you feel? There you go. Taylor. Oh, they're fogging up. They're probably not good to be in here. Cheeky devil. Oh.